So this is the Rhodes racing roll cage. It's going to be mild steel. I think it's 134 wall. Comes pre-notched and bent, obviously. We got some premier gappage, which would be lack of gappage.
Soon to be. Well, see, this cage is to protect you when you start making all that gappage with vehicles, you know what I'm saying?
Ah, I like it. I like it.
Thinking about the future here.
Yes. It ensures safe gappage.
Yes.
The lack of gappage in your roll cage ensures safe gappage when you're running.
Correct. The less gappage we have here, the more gappage we can produce later in life.
Amen. Oh, who's that over there?
What up, Wang?
Oh, what's going on, guys? Am I interrupting? Oh, my bad.
Yeah,
no.
Close the door.
Carry on. What a goofball.
One of them all the same.
One of the stinkies that we don't watch.
So, this is the bomb site.
Where's old...
So what do you think?
Yo! Probably like have it like towards this bar.
Mm-hmm.
And so we'll have to, have that weird cut.
A weird angle.
I think we should all work at the circus. So we're a bunch of clowns.
Hey. Truth. Clowns with no education. I'm kidding.
They didn't have a clown school in my small town.
So if we cut the bottom down 3 inches, it would lower it pretty straight, pretty even.
Mm-hmm.
So it changes your angle enough you'd be happy with that dropping 3 inches?
Yeah, well, because it's gonna raise up with the blocks that we're doing.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So
We just don't want to cut down here because if we cut up there, that means that when we raise it up on blocks, this angle point right here would hit the window.
And so the whole point for the blocks too, though, is so we drop the whole thing down before we weld it back there, and then we can get all the way around it.
Yeah, I see what you mean. I see what you're saying.
But
it's all about context.
Context is key.
Tungsten with tip.
After like 30 tacos and a few burritos, we're about to get ready.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you want to take your shirt off, Jake? You can get a nice tan.
I need it.
Instead of a farmer's tan.
Yeah.
Got the wing ting.
You would take 200.
Project. My bad.
Are you good?
That one looks good.
Yeah, that
Right.
Let's see how they work. You gonna lick it?
Oh! Yeah.
I can't feel it in my tongue.
Will it get stuck?
pretty much fused together, but.
Does this car come with a sunroof, sir?
No, but it comes with a moonroof.
Oh, lordy.
It's disproportionate.
I'm not comfortable enough to move.
That was a good one.
Let's hold the other side. Yeah, if it's like this.
Look at that wink over there.
Works like that? Or lower?
I don't even know how. Let's try it like this. You know how? These two.